welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Njeri Kabiru. Yay, brand one. So we are at bypass, not bypass, Kihuguro. There's no other word, Kihuguro. Guys, yay, we are delivering this amazing table to a beautiful salon. But before we deliver, let me show you how we made it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Guys, for this project you need screws. Those are MDF screws. I have the glass, I have the tire and the cable roll. For the cable roll, so many people have been DMing me and asking me where I get cable roll. Somehow people gift me or ask me if I would want something, so I do not know where you can get it. But if you look for people who do wiring, they might be able to help you with that. So I'm attaching the cable roll and the tire. First I used small screws, they were good screws. Then I didn't have any more, I had to use MDF screws. And every time I screw something, I like to look if we are doing a good job from the top. So keep on peeping and checking out. The reason why I'm putting the screw on the side is because I didn't have long or short screws, so I had to use the long screws. Sometimes when you're using them, you have to be strategic on how they come out on the other side. So we are going to screw this, and then after that I'll take you to a place where I got the glass. I need us to go and get the glass. So many people have been asking me a video on where I get a glass, and finally I did it for you. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing, leave a comment about my projects. It really helps to grow my channel. And now let's turn the table upside down, not upside down, the right way. It's almost a table, and let's go get the glass. So today I wanted to take you where I buy the glass that we put on the table and show you the whole process of cutting. And I'm in Décor market, where I usually buy. They refused me to take the video, so I had to look for another alternative, and we got one that agreed or allowed us to have this video done. So these are the details, and I will leave his number on the description box in case you want the glass. You can call and order. This is Décor. I want to give you a landmark, and that is for Ulubank. So I just came all the way up here. There are different heights, different colors, depending on what you want. So for me, I've ordered something called one way. And then there is like this tinted, clear, bluish, the different colors and sizes, thickness. Hii square feet ni nini by nini?
2 by 2.
2 by 2.
Kuna 2 by 2.
That's water.
This is water.
Water.
Water. Tanga water.
Like
Kan? take this one, you press here, turpentine, you use turpentine, then you rotate it.
Turpentine ni ya kumaka.
Turpentine ya ikuwe loose. Unaweza kata kama, then you go like that. There. So from there now, you do that. Then here,
the glass is done, and now we're going to put holes where the screws will go through. So we're going to take the hole measurement is 22, a diameter of 22, and according to my table, the holes should be at a diameter of 19.
Two.
And then
Diameter 18. 18. Yeah.
water
to pull the engine.
So I have bought glass. I'm super excited. I'm going home to finish this project. And if you have any question about glass, you can leave it on my comment section, and of course I'll get back to you. What else? I'm waiting for more requests of what I should do, because people have been asking me, where do you buy glass, where do you buy glass? And that's how I decided, and that is why I decided to come here and look for glass. So we are going to unwrap the gift. For me, unwrapping the glass feels like unwrapping a gift. I have said that in so many of my videos. Yay! And here we are. Yep, it feels like unwrapping a gift. So this glass is called one way. One way, you don't see much on the other side. And most of the time it's not used on the tables or decors, it's used on the house, like the window glass or the door glass, because you don't see much on the other side when you're on the other side. One thing I loved about this is that it had two shades. One side it looked bluish, the other side it looked like a mirror. And my goal was to use the side that looked like a mirror, but also the bluish side. And the complexion on the colors on this salon, I knew it would work better, so I went ahead with that. So what I've just done is measured where the holes are going to go, drill it with just an MDF screw. So I'm just creating the holes with the drill, because drilling on glass is very tricky. One wrong move, the whole thing is done and gone. So I do this, and then after screwing with the MDF screw, we'll just use a screwdriver to push the screw now through the holes. So that's the easiest way out. So there we go. Then for the screws that I use on glass, they're specific ones. So when you're going to buy glass, just ask for glass screw. It's about maybe 5 shillings, Kenyan shillings, if you are in Kenya. And how do you know it's a glass screw? Because it has a head. And then when I'm screwing, I usually put my fingers just to hold on to it, so that I don't push with a lot of force and then hit on the glass. And this takes a bit of a while to push down the screw with the screwdriver, but it's the safest way to work with. Now, when you're pushing it, when you reach near the glass, don't put it too tight and don't put it too loose. Just make sure you feel it's in the right place. Pushing it too much down, you will just create tension on the glass, and then leaving too much space, you will also create it would be dangerous, because in case someone touches the glass, then the screw would break with the glass. So here it's about how do you feel it? Is it too tense or not too tense? So now we are going to get the heads of these screws. They're easy. It's like a 1 move, 2 moves, and then it's already in. And it covers the head of the screw, and there we go. Here is our last piece. So I took a minute to make some bottles for my clients. There they are. Yeah, as a discount and as a top up for the work she gave me. To see this or how I make the bottles, I am going to leave that on my description box. And now we are about to deliver the table. There we go. We are delivering. I was so excited, and then it was a bit heavy to just walk normal. That's why I look like I'm running, but I think I was more excited.
Here we are.
Oh my god. Happy client.
Thank you so much, happy client. Right here.
Had some flowers left over from the decor of the salon, and there we go. So of course I am going to go there for makeup, nails, hairdo in a few weeks, and of course I'll tag you along. I'll do a video and I will update you where this salon is so that you can go and see it and experience the feeling in that place. So please let me know what you think about this project by leaving a comment. Please after the video, down there you'll see a comment section. Leave a comment of what you think about this. Share with friends, share about my channel, and what else. And thank you so much for the support. Thank you for being amazing followers. And until the next video, I am going to say bye and thank you. See you soon. Bye bye. Thanks for the love. I don't feel like going away, so enjoy your day. Have a great positive day. Bye.